Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video it's about Utando Nesitembu Mangwabe, and Makhumalo talks about the issue of Mayeni, who said she's not coming to the trip, but if likely she came, she won't eat. Then Makhumalo asked Mangwabe, what about the kids? Then there is no answer to that because they talk to each other except Shibas. They talk because they're afraid of what will happen to Mayeni's kids, since Mayeni said Nini have been poisoned, and it seems as nobody wants to take care of Mayeni's kids because Mayeni dubbed to come while she know that no catering hired, it's self-catering. Guys, I think that is why Nini ended up crying. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.